everyone, so today I'm going to talk about the D7 visa. As the name already explains, this is the visa that is available for people that have any type of passive income. This is also a residency type of visa, which means that you can come to Portugal and also bring your family members with you. How does it work exactly? It can be anything from rentals, social security, investments, any type of income that you do not have to work to receive it. I actually made specific videos for the means of subsistence, but for the main applicant, it's 870 euros, which is in 2025 the minimum wage. And if you bring in family members as well, you will make the calculation based on the minimum wage. Adults, the amount is 50%, and for children is 30%. What's the documentation like for the D7? Besides passport photos that everybody needs to have, you need to show evidence for your type of income. How do you show that? 3 last bank statements from your Portuguese bank account and from your current bank account. And, for instance, a letter from the Social Security, a letter from the investments, or the lease agreement that you have with the tenants. And you need to show that you have enough for your subsistence for a year. Mathematics that we do is 870 times 12, which makes almost 11,000 euros. That's the amount that you need to show on your Portuguese bank account by the time of the visa application. Other than that, criminal records, you will need a NIF. The proof of accommodation, people usually have a lot of questions regarding that. You have a few options that you can show, either a lease agreement or documentation for a property that you purchased here, or if you have a family member or a friend which is a legal resident in Portugal, this person also can sign a term of responsibility. And if that's the case, you can use this term for your visa request. You also need travel insurance for the validity of the visa. Residency visas types for Portugal divided in 2 parts. You go first at the VFS, for instance, apply for the visa. 60 days later, you should receive your visa, and then 120 days to relocate to the country. And around 4 to 5 months after the date that the visa was issued, you will have your annual meeting. For the annual meeting, you have a different set of documentation that is necessary to show, and they will also collect biometric information. The first residence permit that you will receive is valid for 2 years. After that, if you would like to, you can renew for 3 more. And after 5 years, according to the current legislation, you may ask for the permanent residency and also the nationality if you meet the legal requirements. And one of the questions that I receive a lot regarding the D7 is that if the person can work here. Yes, the person can once they have the visa.